fuck do they have the premium, bruv? Oh, fucking nice one. It's so full. First time I've actually filled this beauty right up. How much? £8. It's actually not bad, to be fair. Yeah, alright. Number 2, please. I'll give you a cheeky little rev. Kind of at a standstill, so it's quite awkward, bruv. Right, the beauty's fucking full, lad. Yes, what I. She mad. She mad I was going slow, bruv. I don't know, that one's going quite fast. It's got to be a boat. That's like the Race Tech one, isn't it? Pardon? Like similar to the Race Tech.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we've got a route up. Cole has joined us, and then I think someone called Jack is joining us. That was stupid. So yeah, we're gonna try out this cafe in Exeter. Now I've seen it a lot when I was working in Exeter. I used to see it all the time. So I do want to go there, test it out, see what's what. Cole is gonna make this into video. We're having a little chat. He said he's looking on making this one into video. So if he does, then I will link it down below and you can go check it out. His video might be posted before mine, but yeah, nevertheless, go check it out if he does make it into a video. That was dumb on that woman's behalf. Almost walked right out in front of Cole. The fuck? It's a nice little route. If it's the one I'm thinking it's taking us down, it is a nice route. Gonna have to get Simon on this route. Some twisties. Damn, this road's been done. I didn't even know that. That's nice. Oh, that is nice. twisties! That's a nice bit of road. That's smooth as well. Personally, I'm not trying to have no wheels slip on a brand new road. Because a lot of you bikers will know, yeah, new like paved roads, like freshly new paved roads are not the best to drive on. A lot of the times it's like very slippery and you do got to be very careful on like new patch roads. It's not like, it's not worn in, you know? I'm taking some of these turns so badly. I'm gonna try get Simon on this route, that's for sure.
Life's a game of dice, wait in your turn. City lights shine, but they never show the truths we hide, the things we don't know. Concrete jungle beats in the air, dreams take flight, but beware, beware. Graffiti tells tales on the subway line. Lost soul searching, trying to redefine. Echoes of struggle in alleys time.
On the bike that we know got that up. Have fun.
No way.
Jazzy groove, time stands still,
No fucking way.
the rhythm of life, fast and slow. Navigate the maze, let the story flow.
Simon, you've given me the curves.
Bare knuckle truth, raw and unrefined.
Hey, bro.
From a vivid mind.
No.
Urban poets in the court of kings.
Oh, no.
Street symphonies, when the chorus sings.
Hey, I'm still getting you back.
City lights shine, but they never show the truths we hide, the things we don't know.
Hey, no.
Yes!
Concrete jungle beats in the air, dreams take flight, but beware, beware.
It's not on.
Hey, you prick.
Huh? It's off in 10!
Corners open with a jazzy groove. Time stands still, it's hard to move. The rhythm of life,
this bike's
fast and
new.
slow. Navigate the maze, let the story flow. Bare knuckle truth, raw and unrefined. Every line's a pulse from a vivid mind. Urban poets in the court of kings. Street symphonies when the corner sings. City lights shine, but they never show the truths we hide, the things we don't know. Concrete jungle beats in the air, dreams take flight, but beware, beware.
I didn't know there was another roundabout there.
There's so many bikes.
There is.
So,
Yeah, I left the Live 360 group because I got
Alright, we're off to Mackey's because that cafe is a bit expensive. No! I can't! Oi, go kill switch him! Nah, kill switch them! They got the windows down. No! Fuck off! Fuck off! I've kill switched myself! I've kill switched myself! Fuck, I can't do it. He's lucky I was gonna fucking kill switch him. He just done it to me, so I had to. His key's in such an awkward place.
I know.
It's so hard to kill switch you. Got gherkin, whatever the fuck that is. McNud buddies. I thought that said baddies. I've got special sauce. Come on, and a straw dispenser. Wow.
Love it.
That would look very good on my bike.
Indeed.
Holy fuck. Hey yo! I've got all of that on camera, you know. Yeah, because they're going at her. Yeah. It's not her that's in the wrong, is it? That BMW pulled into her. Holy fuck. Woo. Fuck me. That was slippery. Holy shit.